Greetings from Luminous. Inspired by the chic designs that Madison Avenue is famous for, Luminous is proud to present its latest 4-blade fan, the New York Madison. For installation, you require the usual electrician tools and an Allen key that we have provided. Cut the motor box straps and open the box. Take out the components. First, the instruction manual in which you will get the special Allen key for blade fixing. Then, the downrod sleeve, the shuckles set for hanging assembly, the downrod, and finally the motor. Check the labels for details. Now check again all the components taken out one by one. Now we will unbox the blade box packaging. All the details of the blade box is mentioned in this packaging as shown. Open the box and take out all 4 blade leaves and place them on clean surface. Very important point to note here is that the 2 blade leaves are marked top and the other 2 blade leaves are marked as bottom. Place the motor upside down on the circular ring taken out of the box. Unscrew the blade fixing screws. Fix the blade leaf marked bottom with the same screws and with the aid of Allen key. Repeat the process of unscrewing the blade and then tightening the blade leaves one by one. Take care that screws are well tightened and do not put pressure on blade leaves. Now pass the connecting wire through downrod. Ensure that the power supply is off as you prepare for wiring. Open the shackle assembly as shown to fit the same on the ceiling hook. Follow the correct sequence while fixing the downrod. The spring washer, the nut, the lock nut. Ensure all is tightened well and pass through the split pin and open at the end for secure hanging. Now connect the wires and cover them properly with the insulation tape. Next, lift the assembled motor and blade to fix the shaft into the downrod. Fix the hexagonal bolt by using aluminium pad nut lock nut. Tighten screws as shown in sequence and ensure putting split pin and finally splitting it. Ensure that safety screw is tightened back. Check if the sleeves are correct in length and matches the length of the downrod. You can simply cut the groove with a clipper like this and snap it as shown. One of the sleeve has a clamped nut. Screw it and position the sleeve in alignment with the downrod and fix the downrod sleeve to the downrod. Ensure that there is adequate gap between the motor and sleeve to avoid any friction. Now, take the other sleeve and align the locks to the fixed sleeve and press till the 2 sleeves are firmly joined with clicking sound. With this, your fan is ready for operation and you can enjoy cool breeze coming out of a New York Madison fan.